Here's how your students will navigate through the multiplying and dividing fractions escape room. They will click Begin, which will bring them to their background information. They'll read everything they need to do, and then they'll click Next and get to the scene of the escape room. So when they get to the escape room scene, they will click around looking for clues. All of the clues are in the form of locks. Each lock has several problems on it. Students will use the problems to decipher the code. So they'll write down their answers, write down the code, and then keep searching. They'll find locks, they'll solve problems, they'll decipher codes, and they will come across a few decoys. When they come to a decoy, they just go back to the national park and keep searching for more. When they're ready, they click on the park map and say, "Yep, I'm ready to enter my answers." They click Yes, and they will get basically password protected pages where they go ahead and enter the lock for each or the code for each lock. They'll open it. When they open all 5, they will get a final congratulations message that reads, "You did it. You opened them all. Congratulations. You're the best." Please go to Teachers Pay Teachers, Math App by Jackie B. Check out this escape room and many, many more. Your students will love them.